Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well, and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. In today's video, we will once again take a look at this big down channel and the support of this descending triangle as well. And at the same time, I also want to show you once again this falling wedge pattern on the daily time frame chart. And you can see that we have already broken out the resistance of this wedge. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to begin with my with this weekly time frame chart. And here we can see that the price line entered in a very big down channel here back in the month of October 2021, and we got rejected by this resistance first time in the month of November, at the start of November at 2021. And here we had a fake out for a few weeks, but the price line re-entered this down channel. And now you can see that while moving down inside this down channel, here finally we have found the support. Now we can see such support we also found here back in the month of January 2022, when we had this fake out, where the price line again broke down the support and we had another big fall. And now we have found another such support. And this time it has also formed this descending triangle. And right now this support is really very important for Bitcoin, because if it will be broken down, then we can expect another drop, and it can drop more down to test this support channel that will be approximately at $14,000. And by the way, Bitcoin is not going anywhere. I'm going to repeat it again. It is not going anywhere unless it will not break out this channel. And you can see the movement of Bitcoin is quite squeezed now. And now we can expect that it can have another bounce from this support to make another attempt to break out this channel. And after breaking out this channel for big rally, Bitcoin will also need to break out this key resistance of $28,600 once it will be reached here, because you can see previously it has been working as a very strong support, and now it can work as a strong resistance. This was the falling wedge pattern that I was showing you in my previous video, and Bitcoin broke out this wedge, and you can see we had a nice pump, but again drop here. And this $18,500 I was telling you, that is the same support of this descending triangle as well. This is very important and strong support, because it is a recent swing low before this breakout. And usually whenever the price line breaks out any triangle or any down channel, the recent swing low before that breakout can work as a very strong support. And right now you can see it is working as a nice support still. And previously you can see it has been using this level as a support. Now if we take a look at the oscillator, then here also a bullish divergence flashed. You can see the low of Bitcoin here is $18,157, and here Bitcoin formed this low here at $18,540. So this low is lower than previous low. And if we take a look at the RSI, it is forming higher low than previous low, and even stochastic is forming higher low than previous low. And you can see that the stochastic is completely oversold, and we have also received a buying signal, like this blue line has crossed this orange line. Therefore, I'm expecting that due to this bullish divergence, Bitcoin can start another reversal move from here. And by the way, the target for this smaller falling wedge is here at the top of the wedge. That will be approximately at $24,700. And we can see this time the resistance of the channel is approximately at $21,000. So if we are going to hit the target for this wedge, then we are also about to break out this very, very big down channel, and then we can expect that Bitcoin can try to break this resistance, the key resistance of $28,600. However, if this support will be broken down, then Bitcoin can move down to test the support of this channel. And by the way, if Bitcoin breaks out the resistance of this big down channel, then target for this breakout can be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately at $67,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.